In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign in Mailchimp. We'll focus on campaigns that are still in draft or have been paused, because those are the ones you can safely change before sending them out to your audience. I'll walk you through getting into your campaign, updating the key details like the sender information and subject line, then editing the actual email design, and finally testing and sending it. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head to the main dashboard. At the top, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Campaigns. This is where all of your existing campaigns live, including drafts, scheduled sends, and past emails. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the right campaign, especially if you have a lot of similar names. Next, find the specific campaign you want to edit. On the right side of that campaign row, you'll either see an edit button or a small drop-down arrow. Click that. If you see multiple options, choose the one that lets you edit the campaign. This will open up the main settings and content for that particular email. Let's start with the details, sometimes called setup. Look for an option that says Edit Details. Here, you can change the from name, the from email, the subject line, and the preview text. Make sure the from name is recognizable to your audience so they know who the email is from at a glance. The subject line should be clear and compelling, but not misleading. And the preview text is a great place to add a short, persuasive sentence that supports your subject line. Always double-check spelling and tone here, because these fields have a big impact on open rates. Now, move on to the content of the email. Click Edit Design or Edit Email to open the Mailchimp Builder. This is a drag-and-drop editor, so you can click directly on text blocks to change the wording, swap out images, adjust buttons, and rearrange sections. Take your time to keep the layout clean and readable. Use headings, short paragraphs, and clear calls to action so your readers know exactly what to do next. When you're happy with your changes, use the preview option. Check both desktop and mobile views because many subscribers read emails on their phones. You can also send a test email to yourself or a teammate to catch any typos or layout issues. Once everything looks good, click Save and Exit. From there, you can either schedule your campaign to go out at a specific time or send it immediately, depending on your plan and your timing needs.